Have you ever thought about the surprising things you can find on Amazon? We're talking about weapons and serious self-defense tools that you can buy with just a few clicks. These aren't toys, they're powerful tools designed for protection. These are 14 deadliest self-defense weapons you can get on Amazon, so let's get started. First, we have the stun gun flashlight knife. This unique tool combines 3 functions in one: a powerful stun gun, a bright flashlight, and a sharp knife. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and its powerful stun capability ensures you're prepared for any situation. Whether you're walking home at night or hiking in the wilderness, this multifunctional tool has got you covered. Next, let's talk about crossbows. These have been around for centuries, but modern versions take things to a whole new level. This particular crossbow can fire arrows at a speed of 225 feet per second. It's equipped with an automatic safety mechanism to prevent accidents, a foregrip with a finger guard for better control, and an adjustable stock and sight for customization. It even comes with Weaver rails for added accessories. Included in the package are 3 broadhead hunting bolts and 3 aluminum bolts, making it perfect for both defense and sport. The best part? You can get this powerful tool for around $50. That's a bargain for something so versatile. The Action Air Rifle. This manual loading, pre-charged pneumatic rifle is a beast. It comes in .177, .22, and .25 calibers and includes features like a pressure adjustable regulator and a carbon fiber air bottle. The barrel is fully shrouded, making it 50% quieter than standard rifles. It also has adjustable transfer ports and a hammer preload, allowing you to customize it for your needs. The rifle comes with a 580 cubic centimeter detachable air bottle, and spare bottles are available. While it's on the pricier side at around $1,000, its performance and durability make it worth the investment. If close-range weapons are more your style, check out this massive machete knife. Made from a single piece of AUS 8 stainless steel, this knife measures 25 inches long. The blade is razor sharp and features cutout designs, strong sawback serrations, and a black finish that resists wear. The handle has a rubberized texture for a secure grip, and it comes with a nylon belt sheath for easy carrying. Despite its size and power, this machete is incredibly affordable at just $30. It's a great tool for both self-defense and outdoor activities. Pepper spray has long been a popular self-defense tool, and this pepper spray gun takes it to the next level.
We're gonna say,
with an advanced delivery system, it can hit targets up to 20 feet away. While it's non-lethal, it's highly effective. The spray can cause respiratory distress, intense burning on the skin, and even temporary blindness. It also features a dual-mode LED strobe light, which can disorient attackers and improve your aim. Priced at around $35, this compact tool is a great addition to your personal safety arsenal. However, like stun guns, pepper spray is restricted in some areas, so check your local laws. Now, let's look at something more discreet, the stun gun pen. This clever tool combines the functionality of a pen with the power of a stun gun. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, offering a sense of security in any situation. Despite its small size, it's powerful enough to stop an attacker, making it a reliable choice for personal protection. For those who prefer a classic design, this CO2 powered revolver is a fantastic option. With a full metal body, it feels just like a real firearm. It's powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge and can shoot BBs at speeds of up to 400 feet per second. It also fires .177 caliber pellets at an impressive 500 feet per second. The revolver features a 6-shot swing-out cartridge cylinder, adjustable sights, and a safety switch. It even comes with 6 BB and 6 pellet cartridges. Whether for target practice or self-defense, this revolver is a solid choice. The Zap Light is a multifunctional tool that combines a powerful stun gun with an ultra-bright LED flashlight. It features 6 sharp spike electrodes that can penetrate clothing, providing an extra layer of protection. The stun gun delivers a whopping 1 million volts, enough to stop any attacker. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 2 months on a full charge. With its durable design and added flashlight functionality, the Zap Light is a must-have for anyone serious about self-defense. This mini archery bow may look like a toy, but don't be fooled. It's based on the classic composite bow, but reduced to a third of the size. Despite its small size, it has a range of 50 feet and can shoot arrows at high speeds. This makes it a dangerous weapon if used carelessly. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, but remember, this is not a toy and should be handled responsibly. Fans of Batman will love this folding double blade. This compact knife features two sharp blades that fold and lock into place for safety. Its unique design makes it both a stylish accessory and a practical tool for various situations. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a functional self-defense weapon, this folding knife is worth considering. Moving on, we have a classic self-defense weapon, the stun gun. But this isn't just any stun gun, it's a powerful device that delivers a shocking 8,000 kilovolt charge. That's enough to cause severe pain, muscle cramps, and mental dizziness. Just 1 or 2 seconds of contact can incapacitate an attacker. However, it's essential to note that stun guns are not toys. They're serious tools that should only be used in emergencies. Also, many countries and regions have strict laws regarding stun guns, so check your local regulations before purchasing one. The Byrna SD is a non-lethal self-defense weapon that uses CO2 cartridges to fire projectiles. With an effective range of 60 feet and a projectile speed of 300 feet per second, it's perfect for personal protection. The Byrna SD offers different types of ammunition, including eco-kinetic projectiles for practice and kinetic rounds for self-defense. It's a versatile tool for those who want reliable, non-lethal protection. The Taser X2 is a professional-grade stun gun used by law enforcement agencies worldwide. It features dual cartridges that can be independently controlled, a dual laser sight for precise targeting, and an LED flashlight. The Taser X2 also includes a central information display that shows power levels, cartridge types, and system status. Its pulse calibration system ensures the right amount of electrical charge is delivered for incapacitation. This high-tech tool is perfect for those who want a reliable, non-lethal option for self-defense. The Umarex T4E is a high-powered pepper ball pistol that fires 50 caliber pepper balls at a velocity of 450 feet per second. The pepper powder inside the balls can incapacitate attackers, making it a strong choice for non-lethal self-defense. With its impressive power and precision, the Umarex T4E is a great option for anyone serious about personal safety. These self-defense weapons showcase the range of tools available on Amazon. From rifles and crossbows to stun guns and pepper spray, there's something for everyone. However, always remember to use these tools responsibly and check local laws before making a purchase. Personal safety is important, but it's equally important to stay informed and act within the law.